In this video, I'm going to show you how to add indicators in NinjaTrader Web. Now to do this, you first want to open your chart and then you want to go to the top left on your chart, and from here you can see this button next to the cogwheel called indicators. If you click on it, as you can see here, you're going to have all your indicators. You could go and search for them by going through these menus over here, or you could always go and click on the search button and search for whatever you want. So for example, if I search for a moving average, and if I put on a simple moving average by clicking on it, there we go. It's going to allow me to, of course, configure it so I can go and change styles, periods, etc. I'm going to keep it as it is default, and I'm going to hit the save button. There we go. As you can see, I've added an indicator to my NinjaTrader Web chart. Of course, you can do this with multiple indicators, but if you want to remove them, you want to go to this configure tab, click on the trash can to delete it, or click on the I button to hide it, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.